Welcome to the Shortwave Radio channel, and we've had this week a few videos, and the past week also a few videos of the Farsi spy number station. First we thought coming from Iran, but now would seem it might be coming from somewhere in the Middle East and targets Iran. And I posted videos of what it sounded like and a few videos of other number stations. And one of the things that happened a lot is a few people were wondering, what is that? What exactly are number stations? So first of all, I'll share with you guys one website that is a big reference in the number stations. And if you want to see schedules, for example, here it tells me that in 2 minutes, there's going to be one in a radio teletype on this frequency, the type of number station. And actually, if you click on the designator of a number station, this website brings you a page of what is this station, where it is broadcasting from, and so on, and audio clips. You even have a archive of old audio clips of number stations from the past. So what are they? Well, nobody knows for sure, but we do think that they are there to send encoded secret messages to either spies in the field or maybe embassies around the world. So this is a daily occurrence for many of these stations. Russia, Poland, Taiwan. There used to be Cuba before they had problems with their transmitters. But there's a lot around the world. There's that new one that popped up showing that activity actually is there when something happens around the world. And so they have secret encoded messages. They use often what they say are one-time pads meaning that that coded message that will be sent out today is unique. And once it's done, you have the pad that's used to decode it is useless, as the next message that will be sent out requires a different pad. So it's like a different encryption key. So this is to prevent anybody from knowing what's being said. And you might think, well, why don't they do that, with encrypted files on the internet and so on? Well, there's a very simple reason. Think about it for a second. On the internet, even with VPNs and all sorts of blocking technologies, you still leave a trace, and your internet access needs to be with an IP address. So anybody that would try to put things in servers in between you and whoever is receiving the message could eventually find out where you are. So that is something you don't want. If it's a spy, you don't want a spy to be detected. So radio is the best thing, as you just bring a little portable radio with you. You can go and maybe sit down in a park, and I have a few examples where I did that in parks here. So it shows you that, anywhere, anyone can be receiving a coded message without no one ever knowing, and that is undetectable. So radio and shortwave radio is the best way to send messages out to somebody anonymous. There's no way to detect. There's no way to trace. It's not like on the internet. So these are secret coded messages often sent by governments to either spies or other embassies around the world. So Priyom, great resource, as you see here. So check it out. It is really one of the great places for that. I'll share the link in the description. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.